click on verticalwalking.mov. And on the right side over here where it says effects, if you don't see effects, click on the window and then click on effects to open up the effects panel. We're going to write inside the effects, Ultra. An Ultra key will pop up right here. Let's double click on it. Now that Ultra key is on the verticalwalking.mov. Let's scroll down a little bit. And what we want to do is click on the little eyedropper here. And then what I do is I won't click in the shadow and I won't click on the light green here. I'll click right in the middle of the dark and the light right there. Now we can see through where that green is, and we're going to have to mask parts out. But I'm really concerned with the green areas here where there's more white. So I'm going to come over here to where it says Settings, drop down, and click on Aggressive. There we go. That's why I love Ultra Key. This is great effects. Now we're going to mask the background out on the left and the right side. Get in the opacity panel, click on the little Free Draw Bezier pen, and we're going to click on the top left. We're going to click down here, then click over here, then click on the bottom down here and just follow the line of the blue area, and that gets rid of everything around the outside. Click anywhere else, and now you can see the person in that space, and press the spacebar or the play button here to see him walk. Pretty cool, right? Now we want to make it more interesting. We're going to incorporate this shadow.png and the landscape stitched.png. This tutorial will continue in the next video.